Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will solve two problems. The first one is, if a square, b square and c square be the first three terms of an AP. At AP dia ase aru tat a square, b square, c square hoise prothom tinta term. And then we have to prove that 1 by b plus c, 1 by c plus a, 1 by a plus b will also be in AP. A term gita jodi AP thake tethale ami prove koribo lage je egitao AP thakibo. If for the solution you have to write a square, b square, c square are in AP. Therefore, according to the formula of according to condition of the AP, arithmetical progression is a condition asile he condition to hoise ki second minus first must be equal to third minus second. Whole যেতিয়া আমি AP বুলি কওঁ তেতিয়াহলে কি হয় ডিফাৰেন্সবোৰ সেম হয় আৰু সেই কন্ডিশনটো আমি এনেকে ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰোঁ. Now break the formula. A square minus b square form. Now keep all these aside. ইয়াত তুমি একাখৰকে থৈ দিয়া. Now in the question যেতিয়া আমি questionটো পাম মেইন যেটো question আছে সেই questionটো পাম. Here we have to prove that 1 by b plus c, 1 by c plus a and 1 by a plus b also be in AP. We have to prove that these three terms is also in AP. For this to prove iti ami proof ki koribo lagibo actually. We have to prove that 1 by c plus a minus 1 by b plus c is equal to 1 by a plus b minus 1 by c plus a. Te kotha hol ami jodi etu AP thaka boli prove koribo lage tetihala amar condition ki hobo etu. Now take left hand side of this statement. Jito ami prove koribole goi aso hetu ami left hand side to loi lom. Solve, take LCM. LCM loa. Simplify. So this is the left hand side. Again for the right hand side iti ami ako ki koribo lagibo right side er karone koribo lagibo. Again take LCM. Simplify. After simplification you get this result. Fine. Now in any of these two sides iti ami right hand side e hok ba left hand side e hok duita side er je kono etat ki koribo lagibo either in b minus a or in c minus b. Hoy a minus b minus a no hoy c minus b hon kita ami replace koribo lagibo by putting this statement. Yat ami je kono eta ki koribo lagibo statement ru pura ta value uliyai lobo lagibo. Now you can write this is b minus a. So in place of b minus a you can write c plus b, c minus b divided by b plus a. So in the left hand side write c plus b, c minus b, b plus a in place of b minus a and then calculate or simplify the statement. C plus b get cancelled. This is c minus b, a plus b or b plus a are same, c plus a. So here right hand side and left hand side both are equal. They are duita equal hoy gol. Therefore we can conclude that 1 by b plus a 1 by b plus c, 1 by c plus a, 1 by a plus b are in AP. So before starting the proof jeti ami proof to start korim first of all you have to write the first statement, that means first condition of the sum. Prothomote ami ki koribo lagibo he particular sum tur karone statement tu uliyai lobo lagibo. Now take the left hand side and right hand side. So ami right hand side lom aru left hand side lom kar for the proof. Proof to karone jetu right hand side by left hand side hobo jetu condition hobo hetu ami loi lom. Here ami ki ase proof etu ami ap boli use proof koribo lage. So by condition we will get this result, and for this you have to separately do the calculation and simplify them. After simplification, both right hand side and left hand side are in equal position. Duita equal position at ase. So we can say that these terms are in AP. Next question, if the positive terms A, B, C are in AP, prove that this will also be in AP. Again, same question, same type of question is there. Here A, B, C are in AP. So by condition we get this. Now in the proof, see in the proof there is root. Jetia proof to tomaloke saba tate dekise root ase. So convert this into square root form. He karone moi ki korilu yar gotekhini root ole convert kori dilu. Now put the formula. Fine. Now to prove, what to prove? 1 by root A plus root C, second minus first, must be equal to third minus second. Now take the left hand side of the statement. This is minus. Again take LCM. These are same problems. Simplify. After simplification, root B plus root A by root A plus root C into root B plus root C. This is the left hand side and right hand side. But I said that it is right hand side and left hand side, but don't use the words in the proof. তোমালোকক মই যদিও ৰাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড কৈ আছো এটো ফৰ জানিবৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকক বুজিবৰ কাৰণে, কিন্তু সেইকেইটা ইয়াত ইউজ নকৰিবা। এই কাৰণে ইউজ নকৰিবা, আমাক এইটো যে প্ৰুফ কৰিব দিছে মেইন আমাৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো কিন্তু এইটোহে। এপিৰ কাৰণে আমি এইটো কৰিছোঁ, আমাক ডিৰেক্টলি কৈ দিয়া নাই যে এইটো আমি প্ৰুফ কৰিব লাগে। চ' নো নিড টু ৰাইট হেণ্ড সাইড এণ্ড লেফট হেণ্ড সাইড এনিৱেৰ। So right hand side is, again simplify by taking LCM. Root A plus root C minus root A minus root B. Root C minus root B. So again, similarly we can use this rule. That means it is minus root B minus root A is equal to root C plus root B, root C minus root B whole divided by root B plus root A. এই গোটেইখিনি ইয়াত ডিভাইড হ'ব, তেতিয়া আমি root B minus root A পাম। So put the value of root B minus root A like this. This is not minus. Root A plus root C, root B plus root C. Simplify it. This two are get cancelled. Root C minus root B, root B plus root A, or root a plus root b both are same, root a plus root c. So left hand side and right hand side are same. Therefore at the last you write what are the terms 1 by root b plus root c, 1 by root a plus root c, 1 by root a plus root b are in AP. Fine. So here is the two proof. Some of the students can do this problem in another way. Kisumane a eketa problem e belek prokareo koribo pare. They have the right and they can do the same problem in another way. গতিকে তেওঁলোকে বেলেগ যদি কৰিব বিচাৰে তাহলে কৰিব পাৰা কিছুমানে কি কৰে ডাইৰেক্ট ইয়াৰ পৰা গৈ এটো স্টেটমেন্ট বনাই লয় সজাই লয় এৰেঞ্জ কৰি লয় তেতিয়াও তেনেকৈ ক'ব পাৰা কোনোটোৱে ভুল নহয় খালি এট কন্ডিশন যেটা থাকিব কন্ডিশনস মাস্ট বি proper condition gita proper hobo lagibo. So that's all for today's class.